Hello, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper texture on Procreate. A paper texture brush. So we're going to start. So you're going to first start up with the shape, and you're not really going to change the shape. It's going to be a circle, basically. So now you're going to go to the grain, and you are going to change the shape of the grain, I guess. You're going to change the grain, basically. And you're going to go to the source library and choose a paper texture, for example, sketch paper. There's a lot of paper textures. Just look through the source library. So I'm gonna use sketch paper. So you're gonna change the grain to texturized, and I don't really know what it does, but it just makes it look better. And you're gonna change the scale. I'm gonna make my scale at around 40%. And this is gonna make the texture bigger or smaller. So depends on what you want, basically. That's a 30. There we go, 40. Next, you're gonna go to rendering, and you're gonna make it intense blending. You're gonna go back to stroke path, and you're gonna make this spacing at around 25. Lastly, you're gonna go to properties, and you are gonna make the maximum size bigger. I'm just gonna go around the thousands. There we go. And that's just gonna make the overall brush size bigger. And you're done. So you're gonna make a new layer above all of the rest of your layers, and you're gonna change the color to like a light gray color. I'm gonna add a little bit of blue because I feel like it. And you're gonna just put it over. And I'm gonna set that to multiply. There we go. And if you want to mess with the opacity, you can do that. I think this should be darker, actually. And there you go. So this is how you make a paper texture. See ya, bye.